Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility. This saves time and confusion. Check whether the projector uses active shutter, passive polarization, or frame sequential 120Hz, because how you drive it changes. Once done, choose a 3D source, Blu-ray 3D, a 3D file, or a streaming service that supplies side-by-side or frame-packed signals. Make the physical connection with HDMI 1, 4 or DisplayPort, and enable 3D output on the player. This ensures correct timing and sync for stereoscopic playback. Now you configure both devices for precise playback. On the projector, select the 3D input format, side-by-side, top-bottom, or frame-packed, because an incorrect format produces double images. Next, set the player's resolution and refresh rate to match the projector, for example 1080p at 60Hz or 720p at 120Hz. Mismatches break synchronization. Then pair or mount your active shutter glasses or passive filter, and use the projector's convergence and depth controls to align. Begin playback and watch for correct stereoscopic fusion. If images don't merge, tweak convergence and depth. Small changes fix most ghosting. If glasses flicker or drop out, move the IR/RF transmitter, replace batteries, and ensure no strong IR sources nearby. These steps restore steady sync. For color shifts or crosstalk, try alternate color profiles, recalibrate the projector, or swap the HDMI cable. With these final checks, you'll get stable 3D. And if trouble continues, restart devices and repeat the steps systematically.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.